What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the blue GD3 Honda Fit that I picked up a few weeks ago. We've been slowly working on it, getting things fixed up, everything from new fender wells, oil changes, all the general maintenance and little things here and there. You can tell it needs a lot of help, but the biggest thing it is needed is a transmission job. And by transmission job, it's either a throwout bearing or it's the input shaft bearing. I have both. I'm not gonna pull the clutch out, but the throwout bearing is in the clutch kit that I got. So new clutch and flywheel as well. And we've got our Honda input shaft bearing here. That means we're gonna be opening up the transmission. This video, if you guys are Honda Fit people and you see this video and you see the title of me changing it out, use it as a reference. This is not a how-to. I'm following other guides online and a video I saw on how to do this job. I will link them down in the description below, so if you want to check them out, you can go check out that video because that's the one I'm going to be following. But otherwise, you can use this as a reference and follow me on my fit journey of turning this little car into something that's ready to hit the track at Grid Life Sunday Cup Series. I'm prepping it for that in the hopes of attending an event like that at some point. We'll see. It needs a lot of help. I'm also gonna be learning on it, painting, all that stuff. Go down below and hit that subscribe button. You can follow along with my GTI videos and my NC Miata videos and the Fit videos so you don't miss anything in the future. So I'm just gonna start ripping things apart, I guess. I need to move a lot of things out of the engine bay and get the wheels off, get this thing on jack stands, and just kind of go for it. So let's go. All right guys, so axle's out on this side, the driver's side, and the passenger side axle is out as well. This hasn't been hard, but it's the first time I've ever done it. So I'm learning, trying to take my time, and my lower ball joint is like basically seized onto the hub, so I couldn't get it off. If I could have taken that off, it would have made things way easier, but it's just a little bit of a struggle. So no big deal, it is what it is. Otherwise, I'm gonna start getting the transmission off. And we've got everything out from here. I've removed the shifter cables, every bracket that's attached to the transmission. So really the only thing left is our transmission mounts and the mounting points to the engine. My clutch slave, everything's off. I think I'm just gonna work my way around, get all the bolts off, and then I'll show the transmission coming out. right, transmission is out of the GD3. It was pretty tough. I know I probably didn't do this the exact way that you were supposed to. I looked up some instructions kind of along the way and realized there was a few times I did something backwards or should have done something the first time, but got it out. Took a lot of wiggling, a lot of finagling. That mount right there was really tough to get. I probably should have dropped the subframe and everything, but I just didn't see it back there, and I had already basically gotten too far and just had to make do with what I had, and we got it, luckily. When I picked this car up, it was listed as having a throwout bearing that was bad. Some fit people told me that it could be the input shaft bearing. Now we can finally figure it out. The throwout bearing is for sure not great, but also, I don't know if you can hear that or not. That's definitely a little noisy coming from the inside of the transmission. So good thing we've got it off and we're replacing everything. I'm gonna call it for today. I'm pretty beat. All right, guys, I know I kind of made this video seem like we were going to be doing everything to the transmission today, but as you guys know, life gets in the way of hobbies sometimes, so I just haven't had time to finish. But this will be part one of the video, getting the transmission out and everything like that. I got a set of new shifter cable bushings, and I got a clutch valve delay delete. So we'll have those goodies to throw in whenever we get going on the clutch afterwards. But in the next transmission video for the Fit, we will be opening this thing up, replacing the bearings, getting the old clutch and flywheel off, and yeah, getting this thing hopefully back in. I don't want to make it a 3-part series, but you have a kid, you have a job, all that stuff. Yeah, you just kind of run out of time to do things. So also was hoping that the Miata video, like any of you guys even made it to the end who watch Miata videos, that project is also delayed. So I'm just kind of like in between things right now. So thank you for sticking with me. If you are new to the channel, go down below, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.